Welcome back, everybody. We're here with this Kia Rio. We're just going to do an oil change step by step. This is a really easy one. All of you should be able to do it. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get into this. First thing we're going to need to do is pop the hood and jack up the car. Here's the oil fill cap. You just lefty-loosey this guy. And that's where we're going to fill it up. To drain the engine oil, there's a plug on the oil pan. And it's a 17 millimeter. We're going to remove this plug and drain it into an oil catch can. Grab your filter tool. The oil filter is right up here on the top. Grab it on the end, squeeze real good, and then lefty-loosey this thing off. Loosen it till it starts leaking. Let the oil pan and the oil filter finish draining. And then you can take this guy off. The oil filter I'm using is a STP S2808 XL. Put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. Can be used, can be cleaned, whatever. Then you're just going to screw it on here. Only hand tight. Spin it on, spin it on, spin it on. And then just pretty much one hand, unless you're a little guy. One hand tight. Should be good. Like that. That's all you need to do. The oil I'm using is 5W20. Full synthetic by STP. They have a deal. It's like 28 bucks with a filter. They have these lines that tell you how many quarts. This is a 5-quart jug. This supposedly takes 4 quarts. So I'm going to dump in until the oil is to this 1-quart line. Then I'm going to start it for 30 seconds. And then check the oil. See where it's at. After letting the vehicle run for a little bit. It is right. It's hard to see on the camera. Anyways, it's right at the full dot, which is fine. So that was 4 quarts. Perfect. I'll show you what's left, just so you know. It's actually a sliver above the 1-quart line. Hopefully this video helped you out, saved you some money, gave you some skills. Look out for some more videos in the future. I have one coming out every week. Most of the time, unless something happens. But like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.